Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, introduce myself. My name is Gustin Wardani, NPM 2013022030. Study program Physical Education Class B. Here I will explain the material about collection. What is collection? Collection is an isolated event in which two or more objects exert relatively strong force on each other for a relatively short time. If there are two holding objects, object I and object B, then the amount of momentum before and after the collision is constant. P before equal P after. P1 plus P2 equal P1 action plus P2 action. M1 V1 plus M2 V2 equal M1 V1 action plus M2 V2 action. There are three types of collision, namely 1. Perfect Bouncy collision. 2. Partially Bouncy collision. 3. The collision is not resilient at all. 1. Perfect Bouncy collision. In a perfectly resilient collision, no energy is lost during the collision, and the amount of kinetic energy of both objects after and before the collision is the same. The law of conservation of momentum applies. M1 V1 plus M2 V2 equal M1 V1 action plus M2 V2 action. The law of the conservation of kinetic energy have M1 V1 squared plus have M2 V2 squared equal have M1 V1 action squared plus have M2 V2 action squared. The restitution coefficient is A equal 1. Partially Bouncy collision. In a resilient collection, part of the reduction in kinetic energy occurs. The law of conservation of momentum applies. M1 V1 plus M2 V2 equal M1 V1 action plus M2 V2 action. Does not apply the law of conservation of kinetic energy. The restitution coefficient is A equal a value between 0 and 1. 3. The collision is not resilient at all. The collision is not resilient at all after the collision of the two objects is united, so that the velocity of the two objects after the collision is the same. V1 action equal V2 action equal V. Before the collision. After the collision. The law of conservation of momentum applies. M1 V1 plus M2 V2 equal M1 plus M2 V action. Does not apply the law of conservation of kinetic energy. The restitution coefficient is A equal 0. Restitution coefficient. The collision restitution coefficient is negative from the ratio of the object relative velocity after the collision to the object relative velocity before the collision. A equal mean V1 action equal V2 action per V1 mean V2. Well, in now material about collision, I would like to express my gratitude. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you. Bye-bye.